Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to dark mode Google Play Store. If you're using your Google Play Store and you're currently on light mode but you want to dark mode it, you want to change it to dark theme, this tutorial video will show you how to do that. In a few steps I will show you that, but before I show you, I'll say subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new to this channel, and if you're an existing subscriber, thank you for returning back to my channel. So guys, let's quickly dive into the topic of this video, which is how to dark mode Google Play Store. So if you're in your Google Play Store, just the way I am now in my Google Play Store, you click on your profile icon at the top right. Then you click on settings, you click on general, then you see here, where it's written theme. Mine is currently on default, so for us to change it to dark mode, you put it on dark mode. As you can see, my Google Play Store has been switched to dark mode. I can use my Google Play Store on dark mode now. If you want to switch back to light mode, you go through the same steps by clicking on your profile icon at the top right. You click on settings, then you click on general, and the theme, you change it back to light mode, or you put it in your default settings. So guys, that is it on this video on how to change your Google Play Store from light mode to dark mode. I believe the tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.